Food waste is contributing to climate change. Mycelium is found in nature, however, it can be used in construction and can absorb carbon gases. BIOWALL is the first compact, intuitive, shape-shifting, do-it-yourself fasteners carbon-absorbing 5-day growth rate mycelium construction fabric. We were given a task to develop a product for an industry we found interesting. I worked with a classmate to further research problem areas to further design for possible solutions. We looked into agriculture, energy, housing, and even transportation. I started my research looking into water. This led into hydrofusion energy. I then started looking into friction and how we can harness energy from the human body. Eventually, I found myself looking into fungi and energy sources when I realized if we changed housing, which is one of the most consumptive in energy, then we can change the face of how we look at energy. Here for the model, you can see that it was really important to look at lightweight, easy fabrication, retrofitting and security, and a quick growth time. In the first image to the left, you can see the fabrication. In the second image, you can see to the left of it is a darker green. The darker green is to resemble a fully grown wall. The lighter green is to show where some spots would still be growing. I created a food waste mixture to support my mycelium growth. Press it between two sheets as an example of the real model. Thank you.